To get a new Venmo card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Menu section, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the Settings section, look for the Venmo card option and select it. This will take you to the Venmo card management page, where you can view your current card details and manage your card settings. If you want to order a new card, click on the Replace Card or Order New Card option. You will then be prompted to confirm your identity and address. Make sure the information is accurate and up to date, as this will be used to verify your account and ship the new card. Once you have confirmed your details, review and agree to the terms and conditions. After confirming your details and agreeing to the terms, your new Venmo card will be processed and shipped to you. You can expect to receive your new card within a few business days. Depending on your location and the shipping method used by Venmo, it is essential to note that you can only have one active Venmo card at a time. If you order a new card, your old card will be deactivated, and you will not be able to use it for transactions. Make sure to update any recurring payments or subscriptions with your new card details to avoid any disruptions. To activate your new Venmo card, go back to the Venmo card management page and follow the prompts to activate the card. You will need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once activated, you can start using your new Venmo card for transactions. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Venmo support immediately. By following these steps, you can easily get a new Venmo card and continue to use the service without any issues.